Welcome! If you're looking to update your phone number on your Facebook page using the app on your PC, you're in the right place. Whether you have a new number or just want to keep your information up to date, this simple guide will walk you through every step, all according to the latest Facebook update. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking your photo, you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, select the page that you manage. This will take you straight to your page's main area. Now, on your page, look for the About section. This is where all your details are kept. Click on About to move on to the next step. Once you're in the About section, you'll see several options related to your page's information. Find and click on Contact and Basic Info. This is where Facebook stores your contact numbers and other essential details. Scroll until you see your phone number listed. Next to it, you'll notice a small icon, often represented by 3 dots or a more symbol. Click on this icon to reveal more options. From the menu that pops up, choose Edit. This will let you make changes to your phone number. Simply enter your new or updated phone number in the field provided. Once you're satisfied everything is correct, hit Save to apply the changes. That's all it takes. Now your page's phone number is updated, and anyone who visits will see your latest contact info. Keeping this information current is important, especially if you use your page for business or community outreach. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process easy. If you found these steps helpful, stay tuned for more useful tips about managing your Facebook page.